I asked thousands of women, why do you think you're not getting results in your belly dance practice? Well, the number one answer that I got is because I can't get into a consistent belly dance routine. So many women struggle with consistency. So you might be good for a while and then you fall off the wagon and you find it hard to get back on. Well, first of all, I want you to know this is so normal and it's not your fault. I know people say that a lot, but it's really true. No one is born with a consistency gene, and most of us never learned the right strategies to create and maintain a consistent habit. But there's actually a whole psychology and science around strategies that are proven to work to help you create and maintain a habit, any habit, over the long haul. And I know from teaching for 20 plus years, all the amazing benefits that come from belly dancing. For example, getting a strong core and pelvic floor, reducing or even completely eliminating bladder leaking, having a fun workout that you actually look forward to doing, as well as boosting your confidence and feeling amazing in your own skin, and so many other things. But I also know that if you don't belly dance consistently, you won't experience all these awesome benefits. And I'm always trying to figure out ways to help my students, and it's exactly why I created the Daily Belly Dance Habit, 90 Days to a Healthier and Hotter You. It's a 90-day group coaching program where I'm going to guide you week by week through how to create and maintain a rock solid daily belly dance routine. And even if that's only 10 minutes a day, I'm telling you, this adds up to massive results over 3 months. For example, one of my students, Amy, she really struggled to maintain a consistent belly dance routine on her own. But after joining the Daily Belly Dance Habit, within 3 months, she lost 40 pounds. She dropped 2 pant sizes. And as she said, she got her sexy back. But here's the really cool thing. You won't just be learning how to create a solid belly dance routine. You'll also be learning how to create the right habits to achieve any goal in your life, whether that's in your work, your finances, your relationships, or anything. These are tools and skills you can literally use for life. So what's this program like? First, it's a live experience. We're going to be going through this program as a group together for maximum support and accountability. I've noticed there's this energy that's created when we do it together that makes it easy to follow through. So what kind of results can you see by the end of the 90 days? Well, you'll experience positive changes in your body, things like losing pounds or inches, if that's a goal of yours, as well as gaining core strength, as well as all over body strength, a healthier back, more flexibility and fluidity, and better posture. But it's not just about body changes. Belly dancing has this amazing ability to help you feel better in mind, heart, and spirit too. You'll feel more connected with yourself, more grounded, centered, happy, energized, and peaceful. Creating a daily belly dance habit will also translate into making other healthy changes. You'll be making healthier choices because you'll feel like you're on a roll. So what makes this program different from my other programs? My other programs teach you how to belly dance, but this program is focused on helping you be consistent in your practice and create and maintain a consistent belly dance routine so you can experience all the amazing benefits of belly dancing. So we're focusing on cutting edge habit creation strategies that really work. And I'll also have a weekly belly dance plan created for you to solidify your practice and start getting you results. So why would you want to wait to experience all of that? Aren't you worth that? Life is really so short. You want to feel your best and live life to the fullest starting now. And I'm only offering this program once this year, and you're going to get 3 full months of support. By the time fall rolls around, I think you're going to be feeling amazing. Because the truth is, if you don't do anything different, nothing changes. Learn tools and strategies that will serve you for a lifetime. So don't miss out on this once a year opportunity. The doors close soon, and we will be starting on Wednesday, May 29th. I'll drop the link to the program in the description box below, as well as my email if you have any questions. I also have a lot of FAQs on that page that will probably answer any of the questions that are inside your head. But this is a really special program, and I hope that you can join us. It's truly transformative, and it's also a blast. So I hope to see you inside, and I'll talk with you soon.